Hello friends, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use XLOOKUP in Excel. So this is the sheet, ID, name and country, and this is, suppose this is another table, ID, point January, point February and point March. And in this second table I would like to add name based on the ID. So in the F column I will add name, so equal to XLOOKUP. Okay, now select lookup value is E2, and select lookup array is ID num column from the first table, and return array column B name column. So SA09 Mary, you can see SA09 Mary. Okay, it's working fine. Now see SA01 available, but it's not displaying. Why? Because you can see it's lookup array A7 to A17, so it's not taking data from the first column. To get the data, just lock the lookup array A1 to A11, remove it, select the cell, formula cell, and select the A1 to A11 and just fetch F4. Yes, it's logged. Now press enter. Yes, you can see now SA1 Sunday is available, but SA08 and it's not displaying because of return array is not logged. So same, just select the return array B1 to B11 and press F4. It's done. Now again, yes, now it's perfectly displaying all the name based on the ID now. Thanks for watching this tutorial.